Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best dough mat is probably one of the most essential tools in any baker's arsenal, ensuring perfectly rolled out dough every time for pastries, pizzas, cookies, and more. Today, we will look into several top-rated dough mats, comparing their features, materials, and overall performance to help you find the perfect one for your baking needs, so you can create delicious treats with ease and precision. Number 5. Silicone Baking Mat. It's made of 100% food-grade silicone, safe for temperatures from -43 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius. Enjoy creating without worrying about harmful chemicals or unpleasant odors. Say goodbye to sticky messes. This large non-stick surface keeps your countertops clean. Even if something sticks, it's a breeze to clean. It transforms any flat surface into a baker's workspace. At only 0.4 millimeters thick, it rolls up easily for compact storage. With clear measurements in both imperial and metric units, rolling out dough is easy. Even beginners can create perfect pie crusts and pizzas. It stays firmly in place on your countertop. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleaning, or you can simply hand wash it. What we like? It's made of food-grade silicone, ensuring safety and durability. Its non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a space-saving option that's easy to clean, this is the perfect choice for your baking needs. What people say. Using a little flour on the mat created the stickiness to hold the dough perfectly. And then the ease of cleaning was great. Love this mat. Stays put, even when kneading dough, and rolling out cookies. I love the measurements on the mat also. I bought a larger one to cover a wide area and so glad I did. This makes cleanup a breeze. Number 4. Kitzini Silicone Pastry Mat. It provides a superior non-slip surface, staying perfectly flat while you work. Kneading dough or using a roller is now easier than ever, and it prevents pastry from drying out. This mat features all the necessary conversion charts for temperatures, volume, weights, and dimensions. Precise ruled edges and circular guidelines take the guesswork out of baking. Made with a unique fiberglass core, it ensures even heat distribution for perfect results every time. It can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for cooking, cooling, and freezing. It's built to last for 3,000 bakes. At 0.75 millimeters thick, it's twice as thick as other brands, ensuring durability and safety when cutting pastry. Keep your workspace clean and mess-free. It's consistent, easy to clean, and rolls up effortlessly for reuse. Bring professional-style baking supplies and a touch of happiness into your kitchen. What we like? This mat provides even heat distribution for perfect bakes every time. It features precise measurements for accuracy in your baking. If you are a serious baker who values precision and durability, this is the one for you. What people say. This new mat by Kitzini is very thick, and I plan to not use my ultra-sharp knives on it. Pastry cutters should not be a problem. And, more importantly, it has grid lines and round shapes for pie dough scones in inches. It's very well made and the silicone amply covers the fiberglass edges. I like the color, all the measuring equivalents, candy-making temperatures, baking pan substitutes, and that it's professional-grade silicone, oven-safe, most importantly dishwasher-safe. It rolls up nicely and fits in the drawer, easy to clean, mine's lay flat on the counter, dough doesn't stick, heat resistant. It is non-slip, easy to clean, and the right size for my counter. I have carefully used a metal scraper to gather the flour and dough on the mat, but sharp edges to portion the dough is not recommended for risk of cutting through the mat. Number 3. Sapid Silicone Pastry Mat. It's twice as thick as other mats, providing superior protection for your tools and preventing damage. This added thickness ensures it can withstand even the toughest tasks. Made from high-quality, food-grade silicone and fiberglass, it's completely safe for all your baking needs. You can confidently use it with all types of dough and pastry. Its non-stick surface prevents dough from sticking, reducing the need for extra flour or oil. The non-slip bottom keeps it firmly in place while you work. Cleaning is a breeze, simply rinse with warm soapy water or toss it in the dishwasher. It rolls or folds up easily for compact storage. It features both inch and centimeter markings for precise measurements. It's perfect for various uses, from baking to protecting your countertops. We've included a handy dough scraper to easily separate dough pieces and a hair tie for convenient storage. It's all about making your baking experience easier. What we like? It's double the thickness of other mats, providing extra durability and protection for your tools. A dough scraper is included for easy dough separation. If you need a durable, easy-to-clean mat with added convenience, this is the best option. What people say. It is large enough to roll out any type of loaf or pastry and not have to rearrange the whole work area. The mat is made well, has a nice thickness, but is still very pliable to roll up. No slip, measurements and care directions are printed on the mat for convenience. It lays out flat even though I keep it rolled up while not in use, and whatever the material is, it sticks to the countertop and doesn't move while kneading. Number 2. KPKitchen Silicone Pastry Mat. It measures 31.5 by 23.5 inches, providing ample space for all your dough preparation needs. The various measurement markings eliminate the need for extra tools or guesswork. This mat stays firmly in place on your counter, preventing slipping or sliding while you work. It's perfect for rolling out dough without distractions. Cleaning is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. Simply wipe it clean or pop it in the dishwasher. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, its non-stick surface ensures that nothing will stick to it. Say goodbye to flour and hello to easy dough handling. Your purchase is backed by a 3-year warranty. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full refund or replacement. What we like? Its extra-large size gives you ample space for all your baking projects. The non-slip surface keeps it securely in place. If you need a large, stable work surface and easy cleanup, this mat is perfect for you. What people say? It has measurements and other handy things on the sheet. It's huge. I love that it's the same size as the depth of my countertop, so there's complete coverage of the counter. Easy to clean. This is perfect. Big enough to roll out frozen pastry into very thin sheets, with lots of room to spare. After dusting with flour, nothing sticks. Easy to clean under the tap and rolls up easily for storage. Number 1. Silicone Pastry Mat. It's made from premium food-grade silicone, so it's non-stick, durable, and won't discolor. You can use it for years to come, and it's BPA-free for peace of mind. The unique raised edges prevent spills while you knead dough, keeping your workspace clean. Plus, it's extra thick at 1.3 mm for added durability. It features convenient side holes for hanging to dry, and a handy strap for easy rolling and storage. It takes up minimal space in your kitchen. Cleaning is a breeze. Just wash it with warm soapy water and wipe clean. It won't retain residues, making cleanup quick and easy. It's perfect for kneading and rolling dough, and it even has measurement markings in both inches and centimeters to help with your baking. Use it to create all sorts of delicious treats. What we like? This extra thick mat is incredibly durable and features a raised edge to prevent spills. It also includes a strap for easy storage. If you value durability, convenience, and easy storage, this mat is a great option. What people say? Clean up easy and protects my wooden table work surface. Template makes cutout cookies and pie crusts makes for easy pie making. Dough will not stick to mat. The raised edges keeps the flour on the mat, though, I am careful, I can shape the dough creating very little mess. Cleanup is a breeze, and once dry, the mat easily rolls up with the provided tie and can store in my kitchen cabinet. It is high quality and stays in place as you roll out dough without having to weight it down at the corners with the flour canister, pie plate, whatever else you can grab. The handy little tie that comes with it makes storage easier and less space necessary. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.